Started. We know now what is Data Ki Shiksha. But just to recap, Data Ki Shiksha provides one-to-one, or to a group of 5, online personal training on the subjects of statistical mathematics, machine learning, natural language processing, deep learning and other innovation tools. We focus on holistic learning focused on industrial standards. What we mean, along with theoretical concepts and hands-on. We will also be focusing on deployment of the projects, how to approach a problem step by step, debugging and integration with the front end, talking about the learning path. In each session, we will start with fundamentals. We will understand theoretical concepts, and we will implement our learnings. And then we will have question-answer session, where students will ask doubts, share their views and understanding. In this session we will also test the understanding of students, and how they plan on using this new concept in their projects. Along with this, students will maintain their Git repo, which will act like their practical CV. Teachers will monitor the codes on GitHub for weekly projects allocated to students. So what will be the final outcome? Student will be boosted with theoretical and practical knowledge about the selected course. Student will be having his or her own GitHub account with their project repositories. At the end of the course, student will go through mock interviews based on the selected course. Student will be shown opportunities in data science jobs and will be guided. We always say skill is more important than any piece of certificate. We will make you strong enough that you can crack job interviews. If you have studied the course properly, done all the assignments and cleared your doubts with the trainer, there will be no issue in getting your desired job. Kindly contact us if interested.